What's up, everyone? Trust no one here. Welcome to my channel. I'm super excited today. I'm finally going to replace my door handles with the black ones. I'm trying to do the chrome delete. I got my door handles from trdsparks.com. I actually bought a new key lock too because my key lock wasn't working, so I'm going to replace them both at the same time. These are the parts you're going to need right here. So you're going to need 3 of these right here, which are the keyless caps, and then you got the key cap, and then you need 4 of the door handles. And then I also ordered the key lock from TRD Sparks. The key lock with the keys was $70 with shipping, and then the set of the handles was $188 with shipping. So first, they're pretty easy to remove. Right here, you got to pull this cap off right here, which I already did. Come check out this cap right here. So we're gonna remove this cap, which I already removed this one. Take like a straight screwdriver and pop this thing off. You need a T30 Torx. And we're gonna remove this. And you don't got to worry about the screw falling down. There's something to catch it. So this guy should just pop off. Wiggle it and play with it a little bit. Come on, baby. Almost. Okay, there we go. And then to remove this, there's that clip right there. You got to push this in to remove this. But in this case, I got a new one, so I'm not going to bother with that. And then the door handle should slide this way and pop out, like so. Up it down a little bit. Since I got them off. So your new handle should slide in the same way. Slide it all the way forward. So now we gotta install this guy. Just like so. Should go straight in. And then we're going to tighten up our T30 screw back here. There you go, and replace our cap. Now we're going to go ahead and do the back. So I'm going to take my flat screwdriver and remove this cap right here. Again, we're going to loosen this T30 screw. Wiggle it loose. Whatever. There we go. Again, the door handle is going to go up and slide backwards. There we go. Wipe down the area. Your handle is going to go in the same way. Slide it forward. Put the cap into place. Tighten it back up. Replace our little cap here on the back. That's it. Super stoked. Blackout's almost complete. I got my door handles done. Now I just got to wrap the back bumper and do something with this side step. Probably Raptor liner or something. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe. Peace out.